approaching the 8-stall Kearny, New Jersey Supercharger. It's a Gen 2 that's been upgraded to 150 kilowatts. When I say we, it's just you guys and me. I'm on this trip by myself today, so bear with me for the camera work and the audio work. Alright, looks like this is our turn up here. Okay, it's at a Wawa. Look at that. So we know what we're getting here. 24-hour, fairly clean station. The roads here are terrible. Come on, guy, how long does it take you to cross the intersection? Ugh. Of course, you got a supercharger handle hanging on the ground. You've got quite a layout here, looks like. You've got a one pull-in for sure. It's right next to a Walmart. I don't know if it's a 24-hour Walmart or not. There's construction going on. They're building the Ionity chargers right here. So there'll be plenty of charging company. The next up is the Delaware charger, but I won't be able to make it there, so we're gonna charge up first. Oh, excuse me. There are actually two pull-in chargers here. Where's the equipment at? I like to park next to the equipment. Let's go this way here. Oh, that can't be good. That was glass. Oh yeah, that was definitely glass. So, hopefully I didn't just damage my tire. And let's pick one other than what I was actually choosing. Alright, let's plug in and then let's see what the heck I just did with the terrible parking situation there. Let's put in park. Alright, 3B here. Oh, it smells like Charleston. I should have come back a little further, but oh well. 3B, 4A, 4B. 3A. So this is a typical layout. And so far so good. Of course it's alcohol too. Screw these people. Careless people. Yeah, you too. Let's see if I can't get a windshield scrub. There's an okay amount of stuff to do. You got, like I said, the Walmart already. The Electrify America's coming in, so if the Supercharger is full, by the time you're watching this video, it should be online and you'll be able to use that if you have the correct adapters. There's a little strip mall here as well. You got a GNC, liquor and beer you shouldn't be using while you drive. I'm guessing the Pineapple might be a smoothie shop or something. GameStop and Verizon if you want to kill some time. And Taco Bell if you like good cheap food like I do. But now it's starting to drizzle, so let's get inside, give this place a review, and see how long it's going to take me to get to the next stop in Delaware. Unable to charge? Oh, what a waste of time. Waste of freaking time. So this is why you always see me checking status of these things before I go inside. All right, it's green now. I'm guessing it wasn't properly inserted, or it tripped out. I'll have to look at the charger ports and see if we got any charge whatsoever. It's the phone. Still seems okay. Battery started at 56%. Battery started at 43%, so it actually did take some charge, but it stopped for some reason. Yeah, charging interrupted at 56%. All right. So I'm gonna give the, where the heck are we? I almost would go to Paulsboro. I might just do that because that actually seems like kind of cool. We get a new Supercharger Stop. All right, so where we are now is Kearny, New Jersey. I'm gonna go ahead and give them a 7.5, which is gonna round up to an 8. They're 24/7. They, it's a gas station. I like it. I don't know what's up with this stall I'm on. It interrupted the charge, but whatever. We're gonna go to Paulsboro, New Jersey, and supercharge there, get another review. And I spoke with the attendants, and I was asking them, I said, hey, this is a fuel station. I'm getting fuel. Do y'all have to deal with that? Or obviously they don't have to deal with it. Well, so why don't you have to deal with it? He doesn't seem to know why, but he thought that maybe it's because it's free. I said, it's not free for everybody, but it may be a matter of there's no way for them to make any money off of it, which goes to show you this is why New Jersey is actually doing it, not for safety, it's for money. Oregon already switched back, and so that leaves just New Jersey with being unable to fill your own vehicle with fuel. It's an interesting concept. That's all I have to say about that. All right, so let's go ahead and unplug and go to Paulsboro, New Jersey, and see what they've got. It is a, where are we going? It is also an 8 stall up to 150 kilowatts max, so it makes it a 2 stall, or a Gen 2 charger with the update. And once this is charged there for 40 minutes. Oh yeah, this thing is looking, well, at the state of charge we're at, that's actually not a bad charge rate. I'll have to look at the report and see how it did before it quit. But let's go ahead to the next stop.